So my name's John, and I work in a corporate environment. I work for an engineering construction firm. Michael certainly makes us all feel safe and secure that we can be ourselves and say what comes through, because that's what it is, following the process. And there's no judgment here. So key takeaway was getting comfortable with feeling vulnerable and opening up. A couple of the exercises we've done over the last couple of days have really just blown my mind in terms of finding it incredible that there were results, and incredible that I was part of those results, and incredible that I was actually doing that. And I couldn't quite conceptualise that before I started the course. So that's a big takeaway. If you let the process go and just go with the flow and trust it, you get results from it. It's a really worthwhile investment of your time, your energy, your livelihood. If you're considering it, you don't have to be a practitioner in the space. It may not even be on your radar, but if you're open-minded and you feel some sort of movement in your cosmos or your environment or where you operate, if you want to get a little bit more in touch with self-awareness and you want to really trigger off your intuition and learn more about how that works and how you can use it both to heal yourself and potentially others, or not if you don't choose to, it's a great course to do. Great.